Did you know that the exact same cruise cabin can quietly save you hundreds of dollars, or even give you free champagne every night, without paying a penny extra? Stick around for the next 5 minutes because I'm revealing the 10 hidden cabin perks cruise lines hope you never discover. 10. Priority boarding just for picking the wrong cabin location. If your cabin is in certain forward or aft sections, you often board through a completely separate priority line that most passengers never see. On my last sailing, people with these cabins were sipping their welcome drink while the rest of the ship was still stuck in the terminal for 45 minutes. 9. Free room service breakfast that only some cabins get. Certain cabin categories, usually ocean view and above, can order the full hot breakfast menu from room service at no charge every single morning. Inside cabin guests pay per item, but you, unlimited Eggs Benedict on your balcony for $0 extra. 8. Secret obstructed view cabins that are actually better. These are the cabins with a lifeboat partially blocking the window, but here's the hidden perk. They're priced like inside cabins, yet give you natural light, ocean breeze, and are often 20 to 30% larger because they use odd-shaped rooms. Thousands of cruisers book these every year and brag they got a balcony experience for inside cabin money. 7. Complimentary laundry and pressing. Book a higher category cabin, usually junior suite and above, and you get free laundry or free pressing for the entire cruise. On a 10-day sailing, that's easily $100 to $200 saved. Pro tip, some lines even throw in a free bag of laundry just for hitting the certain loyalty level in that cabin. 6. Secret concierge lounge access with free drinks all day. Many ships have a hidden concierge lounge that only guests in suites or specific aft-facing cabins can use. We're talking unlimited specialty coffee, afternoon canapés, and top-shelf cocktails from 5 to 8 p.m. completely free. On sea days, it's pure heaven. 5. Bigger bathrooms and double sink vanities nobody advertises. Certain mid-tier cabins, often labeled large ocean view or family ocean view, come with bathrooms almost as big as suites, double sinks, full-size tubs, and shelves everywhere. You won't see this in the brochure photos, but once you've had it, you'll never go back. 4. Exclusive invitations to officers' parties and behind-the-scenes tours. Cabin category determines your invitation list. Book the right cabin, and you'll get personal invites to the captain's cocktail party, bridge tour, or galley tour that regular guests can only dream about. 3. Free specialty dining or onboard credit surprises. Some cruise lines quietly upgrade cabin categories at the dock and throw in a free specialty restaurant night or a $100 onboard credit as a thank you. It happens way more often in the lesser-known cabin types that aren't sold out. 2. The magical, infinite balcony cabins that turn your whole room into a balcony. Found mostly on newer ships like Celebrity Edge Class or Royal Caribbean Icon Class. You press a button and the entire wall of windows lowers. Your cabin literally becomes the balcony. It's cheaper than a real balcony on many sailings and feels twice as big. And the number one hidden perk nobody talks about? Guaranteed tender priority in ports, the holy grail for Alaska and Europe. In tender ports like Santorini or Juneau, guests in certain concierge level or aft cabins get tender tickets marked priority without asking. While everyone else waits 60 to 90 minutes to get off the ship, you're sipping coffee in town before the crowds even wake up. This one perk has saved me literally half a day in some ports.
There you have it, the 10 hidden cabin perks that can completely change your cruise game in 2026 and beyond. The craziest part? Most of these don't cost thousands extra if you know which cabin codes to look for when booking. Which one of these shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you're planning your next cruise, smash that like button so this video reaches more future cruisers, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a cruise hack again. Links in the description to the best current cruise deals and my free cabin picker